Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the indication and getting consent, because correct selection prevents future orthodontics. Once done, dry and isolate the quadrant. Moisture ruins bonding and cement. Fit the prefabricated band to the abutment tooth, check for tightness and occlusion, and adjust with band benders. Make sure interproximal contacts remain intact. You want a snug fit without impinging tissue, because pressure will cause soreness and failure. Prepare cement per instructions. You now seat the band permanently while the loop is shaped to the space. This determines long-term success. Cement the band partially, then adapt the loop precisely to follow the ridge. Avoid impinging gingiva and keep 1 to 2 mm clearance from erupting teeth. Once positioned, fully cure or set the cement, remove excess with Explorer and floss, and recheck occlusion in centric and excursions. Make sure the loop does not trap food. Smooth any rough edges before final set. You finish by removing excess cement, polishing margins, and verifying occlusion and comfort. Small high spots cause ulcers. Give clear home care instructions. Floss around the band daily, avoid sticky or hard foods, and report looseness or pain immediately. Schedule follow-ups at 4 to 6 weeks, and then every 3 months to monitor eruption and fit. If the appliance loosens or irritates tissue, remove it promptly. Persistent issues mean recementation or replacement may be necessary. This prevents long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.